Welcome to Kidsu, Learning and Educational Channel.
Today we will learn about parts of computer. Let's start. CPU. I am the brain of the computer. Monitor. I look like a television. Mouse. I am used to point and select things on monitor. Speaker. I am used to listen music. Keyboard. I have keys with letters, numbers and special characters which is used to write. Printer. I can use to take printout on paper. Let's repeat quickly. CPU. Monitor. Mouse. Keyboard. Printer. Speaker. Thanks for watching, kids. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.